Okay guys, today I want to go and unbox the OnePlus Nord. So yeah, it's finally here. It's in beautiful blue here. And let's go and open it. I don't need scissors. You can go and get it on the back. By the way, this is the 128 version, so let's open it. Oh my god, I did it. Go. Okay, here we have the box. Here is it. Awesome. Oh, there you go. There you go. I'm gonna get the phone here. Oh my god. Okay, here we got the phone. And we can open that. Some plastic. We got some introductions here. Let me get this to the side of it. Well, we got some introductions. We'll have a look in a second here. We got the beautiful red cable with USB-C, I think it is. We got the adapter, the European adapter. So yeah, that's it. And so yeah, here's the introductions there. So we get some beautiful bluish welcome letter here, some information about it, and we got a case. Ooh. And that's why I got my own case. It's beautiful that they sent a case with it, but I bought another one because that's more clearer than this one. This has this, but yeah, it's what I use, so yeah, cool. But it's cool that they send it, so. Okay, now when we open this one, we got some stickers. That's pretty cool. Quick start guide, safety information, and high whatever value thingy. So also we get the pin. We can use this right away. Let's get this leash here. Okay, here we get the phone. Oh my god, here it is. The beautiful phone. So, and that's the back side. Isn't it beautiful blue? Oh my god. So like shimmering-ish. No, there's a sticker you can remove easily. It's pretty amazing. So also there is a screen protector already on there. Like you can see, maybe you can see it. So when I get this case here, okay, we got this now in a case, and it's still blue, beautiful blue. Oh my god, look at this blue one. Oh my god, I love this color. So yeah, that was the unboxing. Like with a clipper instead of plastic you go throw away. That's cool. So yeah, that's when you connect it, and that's it. Well, you know what? Let's get started up.